Hi, I'm Nathan Winsek with AMP Global. I'm responsible for the integration division. I'm here to talk to you about PAC's new Camaro installation solution. The RPK5 GM4102 is our latest release. It's following on the heels of the successful product, the RPK5 GM4101. The difference between these two products is this product comes with the control knobs and button assemblies pre-assembled for your installation in your Camaro. If you have a 2010 to 2015 Chevrolet Camaro, you have the option of choosing to utilize the control knobs from your factory radio, just simply remove them and install them on our GM4101 kit, or choose to purchase the 4102 kit, which already comes with the knobs. The 4101 is a little bit lower cost than the 4102, so depending on what you're interested in doing, we have two different solutions for you. This product is a complete solution. It comes with the plastic fascia to mount your radio, as well as the electronic interface that's going to talk to your vehicle's computer system and make everything work seamlessly while retaining all of your vehicle's features to work with your aftermarket radio. We also have these knobs available separately, so if you are the owner of a 2010 to 2015 Chevrolet Camaro and the factory knobs are worn on your vehicle, we do offer the RPA Knob 1 as a replacement knob set for the factory radio, or for use with our 4101 kit. So if you're in the market to replace your Camaro radio, please check out PAC's RPK5 GM4102 or 4101 solutions.